Hey everybody, I just got in, which I'm pretty sure is my new helmet, and we're gonna go through it really quick. I was doing the red and black Deadpool look for years.
Just beat it like it owes you money. We're gonna get a little dab of our yellow snow here. We're gonna mix that with just another little dab of our Betty White.
Big fan of TSG helmets just because of how light they are. Now, granted, I know that they're not the safest. This is the new Tsg Pass, designed by riders, 2.0. Comes always in a nice bag. Open it right here, and like a drawstring. Also, this is great because you can use this bag again later if you want to carry stuff, because it's just very compact. But this is what it looks like, guys.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Look at that. It's like a teal, like a cool, like aquamarine blue. Kind of reminds me of the water in Bora Bora when my wife and I were there for our honeymoon last year. The matte, and this is the gloss one, the red one. And the red one I've been wearing for at least a year and a half, if not two. I had another one before that, and another one before that. As you can see, this red one's being used. Comes with an extra visor. All right, yeah, that's the pads right here. The cheap pads make it a little bit thicker for people with thin faces. I can wear anywhere from a large to an XL in these size helmets. I don't even think I'm going to need these, but let's try this bad boy on. All right, first time putting on the Tsg Pass 2.0. Alright, I will say I'm glad I got the extra large because, woo, this feels snug. I'm pretty sure the cheek pads are even tighter. Could be because they're also new. But wow, the field of vision is still phenomenal.
You got to have vision.
One of my favorite things about these helmets, the field of vision is just nuts. They're not dot rated, they're not motorcycle rated, so if you're going over 30 miles an hour, I would not recommend you get one of these. Nice, look at the inside there. It's got a little bit more of a point in the back, in my personal opinion, than my other one. I don't know, maybe they're about the same. Maybe I'm just being biased. And then, as you can see, it has two more notches down here. When in the front of this one, there actually is only two way up at the top. You can barely see it. But yeah, this thing looks pretty solid, and it's got the, I believe, yeah, it's got the chrome visor on it right now. So both of these have chrome, as you can see, new, old. Pretty good comparison of the Tsg Pass 2.0 to the version 1. I have both of them, and I'm going to rock both of these for the coming years.
I'll see y'all soon.